But hey, it's fun, right? After.
A little stressful.
After it's fun, yeah.
But it's fun.
We're gonna do this song, takes you to the Big Island of Hawaii, and we're gonna retrace the historic footsteps of Pele, our fire goddess, as she came all the way from a land called Kahiki, over on the ocean, over on Kanu, I assume. All the way, and she made stops on every single Hawaiian island from the northwestern islands all the way down to Hawaii as we know it, our island chain. Finally stopping on the Big Island of Hawaii, where she made her permanent home there at the Kilauea crater.
This song, it says in the third verse, it says, Ihea kaua e la ia ihea. And then it says, Ika ale nui e li anei.
When are we going to reach there?
The age-old question. The age-old question, yeah. Are we there yet?
Hawaiians said that too. Deities said that.
Deities said that. And so the answer is just over the next billow. She says, just over the next wave, we will arrive in Hawaii. So a song that was actually originally a traditional chant, and it was put to music by my late kumuhula, Auntie May Ulalia Lobenstein, a song called Ayala o Pele.
Ayala o Pele I Hawaii ea, ke haamaila I mau kele ea, uhi uha maiana ea, ke no mea e laia puna ea, o aka e kalani nuke nuke, e pele e pele. Ayala o Pele I Hawaii ea, ke haamaila I mau kele ea, uhi uha maiana ea, ke no mea e laia puna ea, o aka e kalani nuke nuke, e pele e pele. Ka mea nani kai pali uli ea, e puleloa e la ina pali ea, ai a kapalena I maui ea, ai na o ka ulula au ea, o aka e kalani noke noke, e pele e pele. Ka mea nani kai pali uli ea, e puleloa e la ina pali ea, ai a kapalena I maui ea, ai na o ka ulula au ea, o aka e kalani noke noke, e pele e pele. Ihea ka ua e la ia I ea, I ka ale nui a e li ane ea, ai luna I lalo nene ea, o pele ka wahine mai ka hiki ea, o aka e kalani noke noke, e pele e pele. Ihea ka ua e la ia ea, I ka ale nui a e li ane ea, ai luna I lalo nene ea, o pele ka wahine mai ka hiki ea, o aka e kalani noke noke, e pele e pele. Haina ia mai ka puana ea, Ayala o Pele I Hawaii ea, ai noho mai ka puana ea, nohi ia ka nohe inoa ea, o aka e kalani noke noke, e pele e pele. Haina ia mai ka puana ea, Ayala o Pele I Hawaii ea, ai noho mai ka puana ea, nohi ia ka nohe inoa ea, o aka e kalani noke noke, e pele e pele. O aka e kalani noke noke, e pele e pele, e pele e pele, e pele e pele. Song called Ayala o Pele, featuring once again the beautiful hula stylings of Mrs. Puni Badis.